Toyota has Glucky White in today. I'm unboxing a Biante 2017 Holden Commodore Motorsport. Let's start with the certificate of authenticity. As you can see, it says the number of the car on the bottom left. This is number 34900. Looks beautiful. Now let's move on to the box, which is this. It looks pretty good. Directs the car pretty well. And this is the car. It is a beautiful white Holden Commodore Motorsport. Let's go on to the engine. In real life, this car is 6.2 liter LS3 V8 producing 304 kilowatts and 570 torques. And you can either get it with the automatic or manual transmission. Looks beautiful. This car in real life does 0 to 100 in about 5 seconds. The part that I really like about this car is that when you close the bonnet, the steel rod goes into a plastic tube, which looks really cool. You can see, and then it closes, which is almost like a real one. Beautifully detailed engine. Those are brakes, and this is how the car looks. I'm gonna show you the car from the side. Looks beautiful. Now let's go on to the interior. Even has all the icons on the screen, the Bluetooth audio, the AM, FM, all that is there. Even says Motorsport on the dash. Highly detailed car. Has all the seat switches on the seats. As you can see. Looks pretty good. Let's move on to the back seats, which are pretty standard, but they even have the AC vents. It's beautiful. And the pedals, even they are the sports pedals. The door trims, they're all pretty good looking. That's the interior. As you can see, it's pretty good. Carbon fiber trim. That's the door trim. As it looks pretty good. The infotainment system. I'm gonna show you the back of the car now. And this is how it looks. These are the exhausts. Really good in car. Let's just shut all the doors. Finally the bonnet. And that's the car with everything closed. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it. So thanks for watching and I'll see you all later. Bye!